Drones are cool, even if you don't have a good reason to justify purchasing one. Some are only glorified tech toys, but the ones we showcase here are appropriate for both modest and substantial image and cinematic applications. Technology has advanced significantly quickly, which is wonderful news if you think you can use a flying camera in your upcoming project. Some current models on the market are unmatched in terms of video quality and stabilization by older helicopters. What you pay for is what you get. Aerial video platforms can cost anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s, so be prepared to shell out some cash if you want one that can record beautiful footage. It pays to conduct research before purchasing a drone because they are such expensive investments. This video strictly focuses on image and video, not racing, industrial, or agricultural aircraft. Since the drones in this video are ready-to-fly versions, you can use them immediately after receiving them. So without further ado, let's start the video. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Looking for the most powerful, portable drone available, it is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The L2D220C is a Hasselblad camera for the Mavic 3 series that incorporates an incredibly small, professional-grade 4/3 CMOS. Both software algorithms and hardware performance are held to exacting Hasselblad standards. With no sophisticated editing or color presets, you can photograph magnificent landscapes. When flying, IPAS 5.0 continuously detects things in all directions and swiftly and smoothly avoids them. Even novice pilots may fly skillfully and safely, producing fluid footage even in challenging circumstances. You can make smoother time-lapse videos using it. It may fly to a predetermined height before determining a quick and safe path back to its starting place. The benefits of both Standard RTH and Advanced RTH are combined by the auto return function, which lets you select the optimal choice for your situation. Now you don't have to keep pushing the control sticks to make it fly in any direction. This facilitates long-distance flight and lessens camera tremors when using manual control for fluid camera movement. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a great option for you as long as you know its capabilities. DJI Air 2S. Even though it's not DJI's latest drone, the Air 2S is still a great option if image quality is more important to you than size. It can shoot video at 5.4K, 30 frames per second, and 4K, 60 frames per second thanks to its 1-inch image sensor and huge 2.4 megapixels. Operating temperature, 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Master shots. The next step in the growth of quick shots is a sophisticated intelligence function that instantly provides you with the greatest images in every situation. With Focus Track Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0 functions, the DJI Air 2S can easily circle or follow your target. Maximum service ceiling, 5,000 meters above sea level. Up to 1 billion colors can be captured with the 10-bit log M color profile while preserving all the fine details that give footage its vibrant color. It incorporates DJI's most cutting-edge O3 image transmission technology, providing you with an incredibly smooth, crystal clear, and dependable visual feed each time you fly. It can actively avoid impediments even in complex situations and at high speeds since it can perceive its environment in 4 directions: up, down, ahead, and backward. This drone includes a 20 megapixels 1-inch sensor that is identical to the one in the earlier Mavic 2 Pro, giving it better light gathering abilities than the Mini 3 Pro and a small, foldable frame. You have more creative freedom thanks to the ability to record 5.4K video at 30 frames per second, which also includes a practical digital zoom option. You have a fantastic all-around flying machine that soars beyond its mid-range competitors when you combine the ability to shoot in 1080p at 120 frames per second with amazing high ISO performance. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the market's most powerful ultralight drone. Due to its 249 grams takeoff weight, it is not required to register with the FAA. However, makers who don't mind paperwork and expenses can install an extended life battery to prolong flying times past 45 minutes. Three-way obstacle sensors, autonomous flight modes, and 4K 60 video complete the feature set. You will particularly enjoy the APAS function and autopilot for low-to-the-ground use that can autonomously navigate challenging environments. It is a logical step up if you looked at the Mini 3 but desired a little more. The Mini 3 Pro should be a useful upgrade for drone aficionados, cinematographers seeking to add a B camera for aerials, and designers who don't mind spending a little extra for clever obstacle avoidance. It also supports vertical 9:16 video, making it an excellent fit for TikTok influencers. You can capture your surroundings in astounding detail with 4K 60 frames per second video and 48 megapixels images. The cutting-edge camera technology provides dual native ISO and an f1.7 aperture for excellent images during the day and at night. The updated DJI Mini 3 Pro provides true vertical shooting, which is perfect for social media portrait photos. So that you don't have to sacrifice image quality, the gimbal rotates 90 degrees. Use the additional 34 minutes of flight time to explore and record more of your surroundings. The quad-Bayer camera on the palm-sized DJI Mini 3 Pro takes beautiful pictures and records stabilized 4K 60 film, and its extensive video toolkit will have you rethinking what a little drone is capable of. The greatest compact and powerful drone available is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata is the best drone available for beginners who want to try their hand at this increasingly popular form of aerial filmmaking. If PV drones are more specialized than the more subdued ones on this list, but they are a blast to fly. Take full use of it, simple control, and absolute immersion. Flight is made possible for everyone by using Avata with goggles and a motion controller. You can fly intuitively with the DJI motion controller. Release the trigger, charge forward, or swivel your wrist to make a turn. It has an improved camera system, eliminating the need for additional attachments. Enjoy next-level photography with the 1.7-inch sensor, 155-degree FOV, and flagship stabilization. Because of its small size and light weight, it's simple for you to carry and has greater maneuverability. Take it with you on any expedition and use it to fly through branches and between gaps. It provides enhanced safety and an excellent 18-minute flight time. It can withstand light touch, maintain altitude, and continue to fly thanks to the included propeller protection. Get a clear and responsive HD live broadcast up to 10 kilometers away with DJI O3 Plus video transmission. Now alter your flying technique. It is compatible with the DJI FPV Remote Control 2, the DJI FPV Goggles V2, the DJI FPV Goggles 2, and the DJI Motion Control, which each opens up new possibilities. It makes it an affordable option for a memorable flight experience. It is still a very good deal and merits consideration. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a small, portable drone with a battery life of around 14 minutes and a sophisticated 4K 30 video camera that captures both vertical and landscape footage, making it a good choice for experienced artists and beginners. Mini 3 is only 249 grams in weight, perfect for embarking on excursions like hikes, road vacations, and days at the beach. You may take it outside for up to 38 minutes or take long flights without being concerned about running out of battery life. Beautiful pictures take aerial photos in 4K HDR video for the best clarity. Observe details in the light and dark, both day and night. True vertical shooting makes it simple to photograph lofty structures like skyscrapers and waterfalls. It's also in the ideal orientation for uploading to Instagram or TikTok after being captured. You have access to incredible shots. Use quick shots to select dynamic flight paths or panorama to take a spectacular photo. Don't let a slight breeze hinder you. Mini 3 can withstand winds up to 38 km/h, allowing you to hold stable and take your picture. Includes DJI RCN1 so you can travel light and take in the creative process. With the Intelligent Flying Battery Plus, the DJI Mini 3 flight time can be increased to 51 minutes. However, the aircraft will then weigh more than 249 grams. DJI Fly is the drone control app, regardless of whether you use a smartphone or the DJI RC. Consider this drone if you want a dual-aspect drone for TikTok and YouTube. Undoubtedly, that is a superior drone. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Check them out. Drones are the finest tool for cinematic shots and adding that professional flavor to your travel vlogs, which is why we are delighted to have given you the top 5 DJI drones for the year 2023. We hope this information helps you in making the right choice. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and kindly share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.